power plant is a set of number of components working together simultaneously to convert any natural form of energy into electrical energy. Steam power plant, diesel engine power plant, gas turbine power plant, nuclear power plant fall into the category of thermal power plant. Hydro, solar and wind are the renewable energy sources used for power production. In any power plant, initially energy is converted into mechanical energy and then it is converted into electrical power. Final form of the energy is electrical energy because it is easy to use, produce and transport over a long distance. It can also provide a better control. Schematic diagram of steam power plant working on a Rankine cycle is shown over here. In steam power plant, chemical energy of fuel is converted into mechanical energy and then it is converted into electrical energy for use. There are mainly 4 components: steam generator or boiler, steam turbine, condenser and feed pump. TS diagram for water is shown over here. Blue line shows saturated liquid line. Red line stands for saturated vapor line. This is the critical point. Constant pressure lines on TS diagram are shown like this. Inside the dome, constant pressure line is horizontal line. If you go from bottom to top, its pressure increases. It means P2 is more than P1. Boiler generates steam at constant pressure. It is shown by line 4 to 1 on TS diagram. There is only a phase change of water from liquid state to superheated steam. This steam expands isentropically in steam turbine and work is done. It is shown by the line 1 to 2 on TS diagram. With the help of generator, mechanical work is converted into electrical energy. Heat is removed from the exhaust steam in the condenser by circulating cooling water. This exhaust steam is converted into water at constant pressure. 2 is the output of steam turbine and 3 is the saturated liquid, which is output of the condenser. Now here pressure of water is lower than the boiler pressure. So feed pump is used to raise the pressure of liquid water from condenser pressure to boiler pressure so that it can enter into the boiler and it can be used for further steam production.